Reducing unsubscribes with better targeting is essential if you want to keep your email list engaged and maximize the value of your campaigns. In this video, I'll show you the most effective strategies to do exactly that. If you're seeing a spike in unsubscribes or struggling to keep your audience engaged, stay tuned. This is the solution you've been looking for. To start, the first thing you need to do is better understand your audience. Are you sending the right message to the right people? With better segmentation, you can send tailored content that resonates with your subscribers. This means grouping your email list based on behaviors, interests, or demographics. For example, if you're selling a product, make sure you're not sending sales emails to people who've already made a purchase. The second point is personalization. When you personalize your emails, you make your subscribers feel seen and valued. Use their name, reference past purchases, or offer something based on their interests. Generic emails are more likely to be ignored or unsubscribed from. Personalized content makes people feel like you truly understand their needs and want to offer real value. Next, keep your content relevant. Avoid bombarding your subscribers with emails that don't speak to their current needs or interests. This goes hand in hand with targeting. The more relevant the content, the less likely they'll unsubscribe. If you use our software, you can track behaviors like open rates and clicks, which gives you valuable insights into what your audience cares about most. Another effective strategy is to send targeted re-engagement emails to those who haven't interacted with your emails in a while. A simple, friendly reminder of what they're missing out on, or offering them a special deal can prompt them to stay on your list. Just make sure it's not too pushy, as this can have the opposite effect. A key area that a lot of marketers overlook is frequency. Sending too many emails can quickly lead to unsubscribes. It's important to find that sweet spot for email frequency. Use data from your audience's engagement patterns to determine when and how often to send emails. This will reduce unsubscribe rates by preventing overwhelming your subscribers. Also, be transparent about what subscribers can expect. If you tell them exactly how often you'll email them and what type of content they'll receive, they'll be more likely to stick around. Setting expectations upfront reduces the risk of them unsubscribing when they're bombarded with unexpected emails. Lastly, consider offering an opt-down option. If a subscriber doesn't want to completely unsubscribe, allow them to adjust their preferences. Let them choose how often they want to hear from you or what types of emails they'd prefer to receive. This helps retain subscribers who might otherwise opt out completely. So to summarize, first, segment your audience for better targeting. Second, personalize your emails for more engagement. Third, keep content relevant and use behavioral insights. Fourth, re-engage inactive subscribers. Fifth, watch your frequency and avoid overwhelming your audience. Sixth, set expectations clearly. And seventh, offer an opt-down option for more flexibility. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the software we're using today. If you've tried all the popular options and want a solution that really makes a difference, I highly recommend you give it a shot. The key takeaway here is that better targeting through segmentation, personalization, and relevant content can significantly reduce unsubscribes and improve the effectiveness of your email campaigns. And remember, using tools like this software can make all the difference in keeping your list engaged. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial.